Today, Trista is going to walk you through our frequent flower arrangement. She is designing with these beautiful pink roses called Daria, and we have orange Calendula, which is so fun to work with, and limonium, also known as Caspia. So you want to start with your clean vase of water with flower food, and we're going to begin our arrangement with our accent flower, which is limonium. So sometimes when we're working with arrangements, this is what we add last. Today it's going to be the base of our arrangements. Trista's cutting apart each lateral and then crisscrossing the stems as she places them into the base. This is going to allow us a nice grid that are going to hold all of our flowers in place. Now we're going to begin by placing the roses. The first thing you'll want to do is to remove the outer guard petals. Guard petals are the first petals created by the rose that just protect that inner bud. So by removing them, we often see a much more beautiful flower on the inside. The guard petals can be bruised, sometimes torn or a little discolored. So we just take them off so that they look nice and fresh. Now Trista is giving each stem a nice clean cut, removing any of the foliage that is below that water line. And she is grouping her roses here. You could mix them throughout the vase, but by grouping them, she's giving her bouquet a nice strong focal, and that hot pink is just striking. So grouping the colors and color blocking like this can really elevate the look of your design. Now she's going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Taking that Calendula and removing any of the lower foliage, giving it a nice clean cut and grouping it to the opposite side. Often when we're arranging, we think for every action there's a reaction. So the action of creating that focal with those hot pink Daria roses, our reaction is our very vibrant orange Calendula on the opposite side. Here she's even breaking up the stems. You can remove the laterals and break them up so they're a little bit easier to work with. These flowers definitely have a wildflower feel to them. Their heads can sometimes be droopy, but then they'll perk up as they get a little bit of a drink. So don't stress over them having the most perfect placement. Let them be wild. Let them look the way they would in nature, like they were growing in your garden. And it's that simple, friends. How stunning is this design? I'm obsessed with these colors. It's so bright and vibrant. We'll see you next time.